Once upon a time, deep in a lush green jungle, there lived a clever monkey named Milo. Milo spent his days swinging from branch to branch in a tall tree by the riverbank, munching on juicy red apples. His tree was his home, and the apples were the sweetest treasures he had. Across the shimmering river, a sneaky crocodile named Crunchy watched Milo with hungry eyes. Crunchy loved to eat, and one day he hatched a plan to trick the monkey. Crunchy swam up to the tree and put on his friendliest smile. "Hello, Milo," he called, "those apples look delicious. I've never tasted anything so red and yummy. Could you share one with me?" Milo, being kind-hearted, tossed an apple down to Crunchy. The crocodile gobbled it up in one bite and licked his lips.
"Wow, that was amazing! You're so nice, Milo!"
"Want to be my friend?" Milo thought Crunchy seemed fun, so he agreed. Every day Crunchy swam over, and Milo dropped apples for him. They laughed and told stories, and Milo began to trust his new pal. But Crunchy's wife, Snapper, had other ideas. She tasted an apple Crunchy brought home and said, "If Milo's apples are this good, his heart must be even tastier. Bring him to me for dinner." Crunchy didn't want to lose his friend, but Snapper kept nagging until he gave in. The next day, Crunchy swam to Milo and said, "Hey buddy, my wife wants to meet you. She's throwing a big party at our house across the river. Hop on my back and I'll swim you over." Milo, excited for a party, climbed onto Crunchy's scaly back and off they went. But halfway across, Crunchy started to feel guilty. He sighed and mumbled, "Milo, I have to tell you something. My wife doesn't want a party. She wants to eat your heart." Milo's eyes widened, but he stayed calm. He was a clever monkey, after all.
"Oh, Crunchy!" he exclaimed, laughing.
"Why didn't you say so earlier? I left my heart back in my tree. It's my special party heart, extra sweet. Take me back and I'll grab it for you." Crunchy, not the brightest crocodile, believed Milo and turned around. As soon as they reached the riverbank, Milo leaped off and scampered up his tree, shouting, "Ha! My heart's right here, safe with me. You can't trick a monkey that easily." Crunchy snapped his jaws, but it was too late. Milo waved from the treetop, munching an apple.
"Friends don't eat friends, Crunchy. Better luck next time."
Crunchy slunk back home, tail dragging, while Milo learned a big lesson. Be kind but be smart, and don't trust everyone who smiles at you. And so Milo kept swinging happily in his tree, while Crunchy stuck to fish, and no more monkey tricks. This story teaches kids to think twice about who they trust, all wrapped in a jungle adventure.